Let's solve a set difference problem. We'll find b minus c, where b equals the set containing 1, 2, and a, and c equals the set containing 2, a, and b. The set difference b minus c means we want all elements that are in set b, but not in set c. Let's visualize this with a Venn diagram. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's list out all elements in set b, 1, 2, and a. Then for each element in B, we'll check if it's also in set C. Let's check 1. 1 is in B, but not in C, so it will be in our answer. Next, 2 is in both B and C, so it will not be in our answer. Finally, is in both B and C, so it will not be in our answer. Therefore, B minus C equals the set containing only the element 1. This is because 1 is the only element that appears in set B, but does not appear in set C. To summarize, when finding the set difference B minus C, we look for all elements that are in set B, but not in set C. In this case, that's just the element 1.